Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today you're going to learn all about Acropolis and what the project is all about and what they've got going on and everything. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you're interested in trading and would like to try out the same exchange that I use, feel free to go ahead and check out the MEXC crypto exchange with the link in the video description below this video. I personally love this exchange because, as you guys can clearly see, they've got some of the lowest fees in the industry right now. All right, I mean 0% for the spot market and 0% pretty much for the futures market as well. So that is very, very, very nice. In addition to that, they've got over 1,500 different altcoins for altcoin nerds like myself to be able to trade at any given time. So since I'm a huge altcoin nerd, that's another big reason why I love MEXC. So guys, with the rising popularity, here we'll go to Acropolis here. With the rising popularity in DeFi, Acropolis has emerged as yet another addition to the DeFi space. Basically what it is a blockchain-based software that facilitates pretty much a suitable ecosystem for decentralized app developers and enables hosting for, finance-oriented apps, all right? With this, Acropolis serves as pretty much kind of like a base for, numerous DeFi tools with the idea of facilitating financial security, stability, and independence. And Acropolis also allows access to the Acropolis OS framework, all right, to help developers achieve their goals, and has some of the best savings and lending apps as well, which is very, very nice. I mean, they are really, really digging their feet deep here in the DeFi space, which is very, very nice, all right? Awesome stuff for developers. So let's dive a little deeper though. The overall idea here behind Acropolis is to simply remove the need for a central authority and help developers retrieve full control over the dApps that they create. And to enforce this model of operations and allow network users to integrate DeFi platforms and dApp networks, Acropolis is already connected to other platforms such as Ethereum, Aave, Compound, and Maker, for instance, pretty much all the top ones. So now you might be wondering how it all works, all right? Well, the main goal here with Acropolis is to create a decentralized ecosystem where developers can build protocols for a wide range of financial use cases. In addition, they facilitate a fully decentralized model of operations through the use of autonomous finance organizations, which is awesome also. Now, the thing about AFOs is simply that, they work based on AI products and services. I'm talking about stuff such as like dApps hosted on Acropolis, and AFOs are managed by members who act as a company within that model, just without the standard hierarchical, overall structure. Another thing to point out here is the centerpiece of the network operation is the Acropolis OS framework here, all right, which is literally a software development kit and is maintained and updated by Acropolis. Developers can use this framework to build dApps with a suite of smart contract modules, while the OS is also used for protocol integrations as well. And aside from allowing developers to launch and manage their dApps, the Acropolis team hosts 2 finance-related applications as well. They've got one called Delphi, and they've got one called Sparta. Sparta allows users to take out loans with 50% collateral in exchange, in exchange for an interest rate percentage and added liquidity. And with Delphi performs pretty much automatic dollar cost averaging for BTC and ETH. So overall here, you guys, Acropolis is definitely a prominent project in the DeFi sector thanks to, its clever use of AFOs and the Acropolis OS, where, developers can host and launch finance-related applications. And as the number of dApps on the network, as the number of dApps on the overall network rises, the number of developers also increases as a result, which overall, is a response to the overall rising popularity in DeFi as a whole. All right. So again, this is another one of those awesome projects where if widespread adoption ever happens in the long term, corporations that are looking to build, DeFi apps and stuff like that in the long-term future, hey, they're going to want to use platforms like Acropolis, which is very, very, very cool in the long-term grand scheme of things. So that is pretty much where, a project like Acropolis can really take off in the long term. All right. Now, if any of you guys have any questions about anything I mentioned in this video whatsoever, or anything that's related to altcoins or trading or anything like that at all, feel free to reach out to me on my free community Discord server, which you can find a link to also in the description below this video also. But overall here, guys, hey, that's going to pretty much do it for Acropolis. So I will go ahead and wrap this video up. But again, before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never, ever, ever miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section down below of my future videos.